In today's video, I am using leftover paint to do my galaxy pour, which means that I don't quite know what's in every cup. I will give you the base colors that I do know of at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But that means that all these paints came in varying consistencies, and so today let's just talk about how we kind of even the playing field, if you will. So I have several different colors here. I have I have three metallics, and then the rest are just regular tube paints. And this is one of the metallics here. It's a copper color mixed here. And you can see that the consistency is very similar. This is slightly thinner than my blue paint that you just saw, but that's going to be okay. All of these paints are mixed with a combination of Floetrol, which is bought in the United States at places like Home Depot and Lowe's, and then also Elmers School Glue, okay? This is a part of my series, and so you know that I have been trying different recipes, but I'm going to show you a game changer. And if you ever need to thicken up your paint, sometimes it can be difficult, but if you just need it a little bit thicker, you don't want to use any additional paint, you are satisfied with the color, this is what you're looking for. This is going to be your super heavy gel by Liquitex. Golden makes a similar product as well. There's some other products out there on the market. I just happen to have this for another project. It's kind of old. It's been sitting on my shelf for a while, but as you can see, I am getting my money's worth because I like to get my money's worth. So with this pour, if you will, what really makes a galaxy pour, in my humble opinion, is simply two things. It's going to be contrast. Well, let's say three. Contrast, the colors that you choose, and the fingerlings, okay? Contrast being the biggest one of them all. So I'm just going to start my cup with a little bit of off-white. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in here. And I'm going to follow it by just a little, and I mean a splash of this deep gold. Oh, that's so pretty. And then we're going to go in with the copper. And here's where my contrast is going to come in. I have a Prussian blue that I mixed some with black to make it like a Payne's gray. I'm hoping that this is going to open up beautifully. This is like a raw sienna. It's got a kind of an orange hue to it. And there's some white. This is like a pewter with some more brown pigment. Uh-oh, I see a bloop. Ooh, that end is so difficult every time. So I have a curly sue at the end I need to fix. So I'm not happy with that center. So what I'm gonna do, and this is like really daredevil, I have some paint at the bottom of my cup, and I'm gonna try and see if I can go over this. This will show up if we start to spin our paint out. So I usually have no desire for sales, but I'm hoping to get some boulders to pop up and some sales. So I'm gonna torch. Really trying to open it up. I'm gonna have to get rid of that center. That's hideous now. I really want to keep this really pretty copper color at the bottom of my screen here because it adds a lot of contrast. So I'm bringing my painting back down over here. Not sure about that light blue. I really love this piece so far. So I don't want to lose any more of that blue. I want to keep it. I'm going to add more blue to it. Sometimes you just got to get your hands dirty. I think we have just the right amount of blue now if we can just keep it. It's not 100% what I was going for, but listen, it's fluid art. You never know what exactly you're going to get. And it is raining outside. Very calming. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. I have my microphone plugged in. And now I'm going to tilt it back. It's kind of a balancing act. And that blue is going to come back in the picture a little bit more. I want it to be subtle. I don't want it to be too much, but I do want to get this sunrise, if you will. And open this up some. All right, see, we opened all that white up. It's kind of like a balancing act. Now, I didn't like the center, and now I like the center. It's not my normal style, but I do like it. Love this.